need to hear this, but God said that it's going to be your faith that brings your husband back. It's going to be your faith that brings that wayward man back. Amen. It's going to be your faith that bring that your husband will be saved. It's going to be your faith, amen, that'll bring that wayward man back to the Lord and back to you. Amen. If you're standing for marriage, if you're praying for reconciliation, if you're praying for God to move in your marriage, if you're praying for God to just remove the divorce, God said it's going to be your faith that moves him. Not your whining, not your crying, not your complaining, but it's your faith.